Hello, it's the day before my birthday, and last year on my birthday, I launched a website of which I've completely been redoing, but I wanted to share this makeup that I have been sharing online, but I asked a friend of mine named Mary B to take a look at my website and videos and see what she thought, and she said, "Oh, that was complicated." And I said, "Well, how about if I do a new version?" So I'd like to do a version of Put On Saint makeup. Now, you can use whatever makeup you currently use, because I know that Mary B said that she doesn't wear makeup very often at all. And so I thought, well, how about if I pay tribute, since she took a look at my stuff and has been so helpful and inspires me every time we get together, that I'll do a put on the cream-based makeup and call it 68 Mary B Celebrated. If you're wondering what the 68 stands for, if you're in the restaurant business, when you have something on the menu that you take off, it's called 86 it. So 86 it means take it off the menu, and 68 means put it on the menu. So since her menu, Mary B, currently doesn't have makeup on it, I'm going to tell her to 68. Put that back on the menu. Another reason that I called it 68 is because in spiritual terms, there's angels, and angel number 68 is supposed to help you at becoming a better individual and calling you to find your unique and natural self and be productive. So I want you to take 3 colors that you happen to have. Now, I like this cream-based makeup. Love it. It doesn't sit in the wrinkle lines or anything. And the 6 is the contour. I take the darkest shade, and you can use your makeup bag of stuff, but take the darkest shade and put it here, here. That's 1, 2. 3 is all the way across the forehead. 4 is all the way under the chin line. And the 5, 6 is both sides of the nose. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So forehead, chin, 2 contour lines, and 2 lines on the side of the nose. Then take your brightener, and that would be the lightest shade that you happen to have. And I take it, and I'm going to put it 8 places. 3 across the forehead, down the nose. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then inside, outside of my eyes. Here, 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 and here. That's it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I told you it's paint by numbers. 6 of the dark lines, 8 of the bright ones. Then I take the color that's the closest to the shade of my face, and that is your main shade, and I'm calling that Mary. And so I stick this right in the middle of the forehead, and anywhere that I don't have the light or the dark for when I do the blending. Now, the blending is the B for Mary B. So 6 dark lines, 8 bright lines, Mary, the main shade, put wherever there isn't anything, and then B, which is blend. So when you blend this up, and I can do this in under 5 minutes. And you don't want to run them all together. You want to have light and dark on the outside of the nose, because that'll make your nose line look a little better, and you know about these contours. And then underneath, but I just blend it all in. So you get 6 of the contour lines, the darker color, 8 of places that you put the bright stuff. And as I said, you can use whatever you happen to have. Just go, and then the main shade, which is I call the Mary, should be the closest to what your skin color is. And then finally is that last little bit which is the color, which we're saying celebrated. Or I'm saying celebrated. You want to take the color, put it on your lips, 3 dabs here, 3 dabs here, and blend it in. So, Mary B, I hope that you like the 68 Mary B Celebrated.